What's up, guys? Welcome to a supermoon chasing episode. Scouting supermoon locate. There is a giant jackrabbit right there. That's why I have this. Okay, jackrabbit has been successfully shot in the face. So as I was saying, we are looking for supermoon compositions. So we have the super worm moon tonight, and Tristan just gave me an idea. That's my son up there. I was thinking about having the moon come up over these rocks and how that would look really good. That jackrabbit is right there and he's still staring at me. But I was just struggling with a foreground interest. But if I stick a person up there and then have the moon come up behind that person and that rocks, that might work. The downside is shooting from lower means I have to wait till the moon is higher, and the supermoon is going to be most supery, I'm pretty sure that's a technical term, when it's the lowest to the horizon. All right, we're going to keep scouting, and then I'll walk you guys through my composition thoughts, and I'll let you know if I see any more jackrabbits. We are losing daylight fast. I had zero time to plan for this, as is usual for my landscape photography. This area might work. That's looking pretty good. Also, I think we're going to get a good sunset. But of course, that's going to be the opposite direction from the moon. So I'm thinking if I climb one of these rocks right here and then shoot out over those rocks, I should catch my breath first. I was chasing that rabbit, running. Also, filming on my phone, and I need to check where the moon's gonna come up. So hold that thought. All right, found a cottontail rabbit this time. And I also found my composition. So I've got the camera set up. We've got the 400 on the 1DX2, and I've got it framed to where it's gonna rise right between those peaks, hopefully, or right between those two rocks above that plateau. And I hope that my sun surveyor and photo pills both are accurate, because they're both showing me it's gonna go right through there. But the margin of error for this is like really thin. So if I have to move it at the last second, I will. And if I have to just run past that at the last second, I will. It's a bunch of kids playing out here. City of Rocks, super moon, super nice weather, lots of people out here. I'm a little worried about all of those clouds, but fortunately the one spot in the sky that doesn't have clouds is right there. So as also a double, triple backup, whatever, redundancy, contingency, Brittany has the 5D4 with the 70-200, and she will be roving this area to make sure that if I mess this up, she'll get the goods. All right, it's like 5 minutes to go time. I just got Brittany set up right behind that rock with the 5D4 and the 200. Right there on the other side of that little rock right there is a great horned owl. You hear it? So I'm at wide open f5. I'm at 300 millimeters. And I'm at about 125th of a second, so I'm going to adjust that as I see fit for when the moon comes up. The birder in me, you guys know how I love my birds. The birder in me really wants to go shoot that owl in the face. But the YouTuber and the landscape photographer in me says, stay with your composition. Very conflicted right now. Tristan's chasing it now. Well, he's not chasing it, he's stalking it. You see it over there? Is there two of them? Is there two of them? There are two of them. And they're both sitting on the peaks right there, just talking to each other. All right, I'm gonna get the final tweaks on this and then get ready to shoot the moon. All right, there it goes. I got the shot. Sorry about the poor video quality. I'm shooting on my phone right now because Brittany's got the other camera. Didn't want to even bother setting lights up or anything. But that looks pretty cool. Okay, made it back. All right, well, it's completely cloudy now, so we really lucked out because as soon as the moon got past our shot, clouds everywhere, 100%. So that was close. It's also a good thing I thought about going out that way and shooting it. The City Rocks is right there and getting it over the rocky bits, but it's just now coming up and that would have been screwed. We wouldn't have got it at all. So I'm gonna wrap it up here because it's dark and I'm letting a ton of bugs into my car right now. I'm gonna throw up a speed edit of me editing the images, and then I'll post everything that I got. So sorry this was a little bit chaotic, but that's how it goes when you're doing landscape photography and trying to vlog at the same time. But I think I got the shots preliminarily, so you guys are about to see the edits anyways. And if I didn't, hopefully you enjoyed this beautiful great horned owl and all the rabbits that I chased today. So if you have any questions about anything that I did concerning shooting the supermoon or the settings or the focus stacking or anything like that, leave those down below and I'll answer them. I actually have done tutorials on how to focus stack actually from here when I shot Blood Moon Eclipse. So you can check that out right here. And yeah, definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already because I've got new videos every week. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.